So I did get one bag, so we could just see what it looks like. I do think I've gotten this potting, I've gotten this Organic Harvest potting soil before a couple years back, and there was plastic in it, and I was so shocked because I've never, I've never, seen anything like that before. So let's see. Okay, it's very windy out here today, so I apologize if that bothers y'all. But I'm just gonna put it in this strainer so we can get a better. Okay, y'all saw that? This bag does contain composted green waste, redwood shavings, perlite, and sand. Does not contain human or animal waste. So let's see. It's sifted if y'all care. And I mean, it looks like a good mix. Last time I used this, I don't remember what I used it for. Oh, I think I did mix it with some of my indoor plants. It does say that this is an all-purpose mix. It's organic. It's for growing plants, vegetables, herbs, and flowers for all your indoor and outdoor growing. Let's see. Oh, it has a little size or little chart. Oh, and here too. That's cute. Okay, but enough about the packaging. This is what it looks like. It's not that chunky. It's not like the blue bag potting soil. It's not chunky. It smells organic. Definitely smells organic. Smells good. There's definitely perlite. I mean, looks like a good mix to me. Let's plant something. All right, so I saw this growing, and I don't know exactly what this is. I probably forgot, but I call all plants that look like this wild lettuce. So we'll just use this. Okay, so I have the pot here, and I've already mixed everything that was in this strainer back into this container. This looks like a good mix, a decent mix. The only thing about this mix is that me personally, I probably would not use this indoors, and that's just because I prefer to use like coco coir and perlite and shale and things like that. A soilless mix, no compost or anything. If you do use this for your indoor plants, let me know how that goes. Oh, look, you can see the latex. And I'm really just doing this because I wanted to plant something, not for any specific reason. The mix is fine. You can use it. The only problem is the bag is too small. I think the blue bag for its weight, 8 pounds, that's worth $1. But this for dry quartz, 4.2 liters, maybe $1 or $2 if I have if there was just one plant that I needed to pot up. Other than that, buying multiple bags of these, just get a bigger bag. But if you want to get this bag for the ingredients, then go ahead and do that. But still, you might as well get a bigger, higher quality bag. Oh, this is it. Everything. This is done. Once again, this is a good mix. It's fine. As far as the ingredients goes, I believe it's fine. However, I can see some sand, but there's definitely not as much sand as the blue bag of potting soil.